Now, students, one major thing when coming into ethics section, you should remember this page number 11 for sure. Because if you look at the page number 11, we have something called values. The value is minimize environmental footprint of micromobility solutions, protect safety and dignity of employees, engage stakeholders with mutual benefits to all. So students 2, 3, 4, very, very important. 2, 3, 4 is very, very important. Very, very important. So students, I think in the answer, these values were not at all mentioned. So that was the major thing happened in your answer. So students, let's start working on mock 2 answer for today. So on Saturday, I will develop the mock 3 answer and also the ratio analysis also. So mock 2 answer, now let's start working on. So students, now we can start working mock 2 answer. So if you go through this mock 2 answer, let's do the framing first, 40%, 60%. So I will write here framing. Before you start the answer, frame it properly. Framing, so 40% means it is generally giving you a marks of, I think it is 10 marks. Okay, 40% means 10 marks. And if they mention 60%, which is the part B, I can generally assume that is 15 marks in total. So just keep in mind the framing is important. So in the exams also, students, they will check your application more than your knowledge. So one good thing I can say is your knowledge is good, but the application is little poor. And students, if you had seen Mr. Kiran's answer, he has done the color coding. So I prefer if you can use the color coding in the first 6 mocks so that you will improve your presentation. And later it will become a norm when you're writing the answer. So please improve the color coding also. Okay, so students, if you look at here, Alan has sent you the following mail. So students, can someone tell me who is Alan in our question? Who is Alan, students? What is he doing? Send someone chat in the comment box, or Jayabal, can you tell me who is Alan?
Ops director.
Correct. Operations
Yes.
director. Very good. So students, now if you see, operation director is sending you this message. Hi, we are planning to start a factory in Greyland. It's a new country. Okay, which is a developing country. So that's again a question mark. The main purpose of building this factory is to recycle the battery and the plastic from the hoverboard at the time of replacement. At present, the report we have understood that we cannot recycle 100% of hoverboard. So students, what I will generally do is I will analyze this in the table format, so it will be very easy for you all. So technical, then we have the business, then we have the people, then we have the leadership. Technical, business, people, and other one is leadership. Okay, so if you look at here, the business point only, they are still focusing on recycling, and they're expanding to Greyland, which is again a developing nation. What nation, students? A developing nation. So students, you need to be very much careful here, but they are telling one thing specifically. There can be some contamination in the process. That means it will not be 100% effective. It will not be 100% effective, but contamination can take place in the focus. Okay, contamination can take place in the process. Contamination can take place in the process. However, we are confident that we are still providing employment to large people of Greyland. So they are telling job opportunities. So I'll just mention here job opportunities to the people in the Greyland. So I'm connecting that. Okay, students, job opportunities. Opportunities are mentioned here. And then they are still stating that, and their government is very satisfied with our initiative. So I will just mention government of Greyland is also one stakeholder that is coming in the current situation. many of large corporation conduct operation in Greenland. The country is less regulated. So I will just mention here the country is what students? Less what students? Regulated. So students, if you read this, you will understand this is a pure business situation, not technical. They are not going to the technical application. Pure business situation. So the requirement is please be kind enough to respond on the following. Firstly, the ethical implication. The ethical implication of starting a factory in Greyland, which is 40%. Secondly, how can we finance the project? And other factors needs to be considered. So second one, finance the project and other factors needs to be considered. So financing the project, little bit of technical, other factors, business. So students, I will start with the answer now for the part A. So ethical implication in starting business in Greyland. So I'll just mention here ethical implication, starting business in what country? In Greyland. Greyland. So students, this is the subheading that you need to keep in mind. So the problem what students face is in the answer session, what you have written, you all have gone to the complete hardcore ethics region, professional competence, everything fully explained. So I just need to write it down. I will just say a paragraph. I can say integrity. So I'll just mention here integrity. I'm not dumping my brain, but I'm just putting integrity. So I'll just write down a note below this. So I can just mention integrity is being straightforward, and honest in what students? Business transactions. So students, this sentence is more than enough. This sentence is more than enough. This sentence is more than enough, nothing to think about it. But the problem will start when you are going to write the application, students. So you need to be very much careful here, because I can come here to the application so that it will be very easy for you all. So I will just mention this point. So I'll just write down here. Currently, our company has some values, such as minimize the environmental footprint of its micro mobility solution, comma, and then I can mention protect the safety and dignity of its employees, and the other one is engage with stakeholders, not shareholders, students, stakeholders, to the mutual benefits of all. Mutual benefits of what, students? All. So students, I am telling you, you lost a lot of marks in this question, because did you mention anything related to this? So I think no one wrote anything related to this. Dear students, now you are a senior finance manager working in this organization. Working in this organization, you should be very much aware about the organization values, everything. So students, I will just continue here. So I can say it is clear that this process will not be 100% what, students? Effective. Therefore, expanding without solutions for the remaining waste and dumping in Greyland is what, students?
Unethical.
Unethical. unethical, comma. So students, now I need to continue this with the people color, that is the green color. So students, in our company, we have some non-executive directors. So I can generally say, Marco can investigate on the risk that runabout would face if there is some issues. He can use scenario planning. What is this, students? Scenario planning. So students, in exams, you should not define scenario planning. You can just mention scenario planning because it's a risk technique, student. Scenario planning to identify possible threats. To identify possible threats, comma, and final one, leadership. I will come here. However, we still need to consider how other corporations are operating, and is there any reaction from the press or the general public on their operations, Now students, you need to be very much careful, students. Now if you generally see in some region like in China, everywhere, this is common, pollution is common, yes or no, it's common. So students, still in the Europe, people buy Chinese products. I need to accept that because they will always go for the price stability at the end of the day. Are you understanding, students? So please be careful when you're structuring the answer. I think this answer would have scored at least 2.5 marks in a 10 marks question. So any questions you have, students, please feel free to let me know.
Mr. Phil, just a point on the last leadership piece. We are not addressing how to improve the integrity. Here we have gone about investigating what other corporations are doing. While we
Correct.
started off with integrity, should we talk about under leadership how we are going to address the integrity issue or
No, because Mr.
investigation?
Kiran, leadership means integrity. You need to always compare with other corporations. Whether are they also doing that, or is that a business as usual? You get what I'm saying, Mr. Kiran?
And if it's business as usual, what will be our stand?
Then we can continue. If the investigation says there is no worries like this, then still I can say it's ethical only. Because Mr. Kiran, ethics is generally moral obligation by the majority. You get what I'm saying? So if the majority of the people are okay with what you're doing, it's fine. You get the point what I'm saying here.
Okay. Okay.
So students, I'll come to the next one. So I'll just mention next one. I can say professional behavior. Okay, so I'll write down a basic explanation. That's more than enough, students. But your answer should be more specific to the business. So I'll just write down here. Professional behavior. Professional what, students? Behavior is complying to the standards and rules which are in practice, comma. So students, I need to continue. So I can just say, so students, what is the country we are working on, students? Gilan, yes or no? So I'll just mention in Gilan, the country is highly what, students? highly what students? Regulated. Therefore, there are some rules to be followed. Some rules to be followed. Example, wearing helmets while using cycles. Now, students, this is the real life explanation. Okay, so I will continue. However, it is mentioned that Greyland, what country, students? Greyland is less regulated country. Less regulated what, students? Country. Less regulated country. Okay, I'll just continue. Further, the government is satisfied with the project. Although they are aware that this is not 100% what, students? 100% what, students? Effective.
Efficient.
Okay, so I will just continue. So I can continue the next one. So I can just say, okay, I can just say Patrick. I can mention whom, students? Patrick. Who is Patrick, students? He is a non-executive director in charge for risk and remuneration committee. So Patrick can undertake a research on the social cultural aspect of Greyland and the political trend in the country, whether all governments are less regulation oriented. Comma, I will continue. So the leadership skill, I can say, if the research gives a positive results, as yes, the country is less regulated, then this is not a breach of professional behavior. However, if they have a possibility, of having regulations, then this can be a breach of professional behavior. So students, look at the way I am writing the answer. Am I writing a balanced answer or I am writing one side answer? Balanced answer, students. So if you write a balanced answer, you are in the right position, because still you are not a director in the company. You are still a person who is working in the organization in a senior role. So always it will be suggested that you will give them a balanced opinion. What do you think, students? Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you. So students, any questions you have, please feel free to ask.
Yeah, so when you say in the green section, whether all governments are less regulated, you're talking about respective states,
The opposition
or
party.
the opposition parties.
Opposition party.
Okay.
Fine with that.
Sir, I have one questions.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
Greyland is highly regulated, where Greyland is not high regulated. So when we are doing the business which is not 100% effective, we are just making a little bit of relaxation for recycling those things. will not affect our shareholder in Greyland?
No, I'll be very frank, Jayabal. If you generally see the outsourcing purpose of China, because America generally outsource majority of their productions to China, including iPhone, Apple product. It's not cheap labor also, Jayabal, because America is ultimately not controlled by Donald Trump. America is controlled by their local governors. Like in India, they have chief ministers. Likewise, they have their local governors everywhere in their 50 states. So what happens is, Jayabal, in America, the regulations are very high. So what they do is they purposely transfer that to China. But now I'll ask you, think like an American. You are an American citizen. Are you bothered about things that is happening in America or in China?
It's happening in China.
Correct. So you are not bothered about China. Correct, Jayabal. But if
It's
your
correct, but,
local country is getting affected only, you will be mostly concerned about. You getting the understanding? Hello?
Yeah, I'm getting. Yes, I'm getting understanding. But there are some cases. Take for example, the government, every 5 years or 6 years they are wanting to change it, right? So if new government is coming, they are not going to revise those regulations where, like, we are not following 100% effective. They won't charge any penalty or any some things.
That's
Those
what I
who are
have mentioned, the leadership skill. If there is a possibility, if the government's changing, any government coming, opposition coming, if there's no possibility that they are not regulation oriented, then that is, it's not breach of professional behavior. But yeah, well, if there was a government coming and if they are changing it, then it is a breach of professional behavior. Example, I will tell you, Jebal. Now, if you see Kerala, if you see the state Kerala, they have the two ends. That is, the Communist Party is also there, and they have the normal Congress Party also. Okay, but if you are going to start a business in Kerala, I think you are correct, Jebal. But if you are going to start a business in Bangalore, whatever the government come, it will be same. What do you think, Jebal? Yes or no?
Yeah, obviously.
I think now you got the understanding.
Yep.
Clear. Other students, if you're okay, you can put Y in the comment box. Any questions, please feel free to ask students. But again, I'm telling you, don't give suggestion, give a balanced answer. So I will just highlight this point of the balanced answer because it's a very good exam technique, students. You must go to the exam very comfortable, students. Don't go to the exam with the pressure of passing or failing. Go with the exam of performing. Don't think of passing or failing. I will perform. So students, professional behavior is successfully done. So the next thing I can just mention is professional competence and due care. Professional competence and what, students? Due care. So I'll continue this. So I'll just write down here. So professional competence and due care is generally the accountant's standard of knowledge and the care given to other stakeholders. Basic my point. That's more than enough. So students, I'll just look at these students. Protect and safeguard dignity of the employees. Now I'll just come here. Here there's a risk, students. Here there is a risk. So I'll just mention runabouts. One value is to protect the safety and dignity of its employees. Therefore, in Greyland, still Runabout has professional due care towards the safety standards of the employees, regardless of the local regulations, regardless of the local regulations. For example, they need to provide them face mask, gloves, and helmets in the recycling process. Further, they need to have insurance policy for their staffs. Now I'll come to the people skills. So in our company PET, I'll just mention here PET Oily, the HR director should be able to take responsibility to develop a good working culture in Greyland and good employee code of conduct. Code of what, students? Conduct. And I'll just continue. This is a very serious issue since this is related to our own operations, not outsourced operations. So any issues to the staff will affect the reputation of Runabout. Full stop. Students, any questions, please feel free to ask. Now students, here be very careful. I think Jabal's question I can come. I think you all know that Nike Vietnam issue. Nike had suppliers from Vietnam where the employees were treated very badly. So it affected the Nike brand. Now, whatever said and done, regulations, let's keep aside. When it comes to human life, internationally there is value. Correct or not correct, Jayabal? Yes or no? Because
Yes, sir.
if the people are getting affected, any country, it has your company brand, still it will affect your company, being regulated or not regulated. See, students, if you see this international giants, whatever said and done, wherever the country they are going to, they take care of the employees very well. They may not take care of the environment very well, but the employees they take care very well. How many of you have observed that, student? You see McDonald's, KFC, everything which is an international chain, they take care of the employees very well at the end of the day. Correct me if I'm wrong, students. Yes or no?
Yes.
So students, there a common sense is also a little important when writing the answer. Now the issue is in your future answer, the red color and green color and blue color should represent 75%, and the black color should represent 25%. But what happened in your answers, what you have given until now, the black color is 75%. And rarely you are getting the other three components. So be very careful, students. So I think that's a good point. So students, I'll come to the next section. So I will mention here as confidentiality. What is the next one, students? Confidentiality. So I need to say confidentiality is securing important company data and also sharing data which are relevant to the society, which are relevant to what, students? The society. Now let's assume, students, if we are running a cigarette company, yeah, a cigarette formula, what we are using, you can secure, you can't tell it other places, but we need to be also sharing that cigarette smoking causes what, students? Cancer. So students, there is a difference what I am saying there. So be very careful, students, in this confidentiality. This is not the confidentiality of memorizing. This is the confidentiality of professional ethics and due care. So I will just mention here the process of recycling. The process of recycling will not result in 100% effectiveness. Should be communicated to all the relevant stakeholders. Such as the local government, the employees, the management, and shareholders. These communications needs to be documented and verified. Business skill. So students, I will come to the people, that is the application. I can say, students, do we have anyone working in our company for legal? Legal function is done by whom, students? Legal function. Legal. Anyone with the legal background in our organization?
As of now, there is no legal person.
Here
Right?
Alan is there, no, Jayabal.
He's
Here,
not a lawyer, I believe.
no, here it's, you see the screen, legal issues. Alan is not a
Alan?
lawyer, but he takes care of the legal issue. Yes, sir. We do not have a
Yes,
lawyer, but we have Alan to take care of legal issue. So please keep in mind, students, please keep in mind, Alan is there. Alan is there to take care of legal issues. So I'll just mention, Alan needs to verify this with our corporate solicitor. That means lawyer. I just mentioned to increase the richness of the answer. Okay, you can mention corporate lawyer also fine. Our corporate solicitor, so that in future we will not have any litigations. Comma, I'll still continue, students. I can just mention the leadership skill. If the communication is properly executed in a professional manner, then there is no breach of confidentiality. However, I'm balancing my answer. However, if they have not communicated to the relevant stakeholders, this can end up in a reputation risk. Full stop. And I can continue and affect the share price of runabout. Be very much careful, students. We are high risk business. 1.32 something our ratios are. So, students, any questions here? Any questions?
When I read this, I mean, I somehow tend to feel this is more integrity than confidentiality.
Integrity than confidentiality, yes. But Mr. Kiran, everything is integrity. What do you think, Mr. Kiran? The root is integrity only. Hello?
Yeah.
But here securing the information, important company data, when I say that it is confidentiality, but all the other code is basically based on integrity. If integrity is not there, everything is not there. Fine with that, Mr. Kiran.
Yeah. Can you just scroll up for a minute? Sorry.
Sure, sure.
So here we've talked about values. Okay.
Thank you. Students, this is a 10 marks question what we have written so far. So before going into the part B requirement, I just want to ask some questions with my team members. So Jebal, any questions you have? Okay. Amir, any questions you have?
No, sir.
No. Matlub, any questions you have? Asif, any questions you have? Okay. Okay, Arib is also there. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, students. But I think students improve the techniques. Okay, very important. So I'm going to break this into two parts. Here it's I can say 8 marks and 7 marks. So other factors also I can consider. So it's totally 15 marks. So I will just mention here. How to finance the project in Greyland. How to finance the project in Greyland. So that is the heading. So students, my problem what I saw in your answers were very technical. You are writing loan, you are writing equity, rights issue, everything. But you are not thinking like a finance manager working in our company. So students, I just want to ask you one basic question. Can someone tell me what is our current gearing ratio? What is our current gearing ratio? What is our current gearing ratio? 2019, what is our gearing ratio? I'll give you around 25 seconds. You can calculate it.
54.56.
Correct. It is 54.82. So 55% is a good one. So students, at the moment, are we geared or ungeared? I think we are geared. Yes or no? Because 45% is only coming outside the loan providers. Rest is borrowing only. So I will write down one question here. This is very much important, students, when we are thinking. Existing capital, what students? Structure, existing capital structure. Now you are a finance manager. Finance manager, you are a real finance manager. Think like that. So The capital structure, so I'll write down a basic explanation. The capital structure is the proportion, is the proportion of debt and what students? Debt and what students?
Equity.
Equity. More than enough. More than enough. Finished. Okay. So I can say currently Runabout has a gearing ratio of how much students? 54.82, which is a high geared ratio, which is a high geared ratio, which is a high geared ratio. Fine with that, students? Yes or no?
Yes.
Comma. So I will continue this also, students, which is a high geared ratio. Comma. I will say, therefore, we need to take care of our other project requirement, because the borrowing capacity is less. The borrowing capacity is what, students? Is less. The borrowing capacity is less. So students, I can just combine the answer now. So we are very good here. So I can just mention the people here. So I can say Geo Patron. Who is Geo Patron, students?
And finance director.
CFO. The Geo Patron should be able to reassess the business collaterals and restrictions with the bank, and further we should be able to find a solution to pay back the existing borrowings, full stop, comma. So I'll just continue here the leadership point. So basic leadership is a balancing. The balancing is in the leadership. So I can say, so the capital structure is very crucial before making the decision, because it may affect the financial risk and the beta, and what, students? The beta, where there is high chances the share price getting affected. So how to finance the project? So one thing is existing capital structure we need to consider before we go to finance the project. Fine with that, students? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So students, I think no one was thinking this. Local loan from Greyland, what, students? Government. Yes or no? Students, can you go for a local loan from Greyland government? If your company is highly, let's assume highly stuck in borrowing, because if your company is highly stuck in borrowing, it's 100% sure the investors will be little reluctant to put some money. So I am asking you a question, can we go for a local loan from Greyland government? Yes or no? Because
Yes,
students, are we generating jobs for them? Correct me if I'm wrong. We are generating a lot of jobs for them. So when we are generating jobs for them, it is clear that you can ask for a subsidized loan. government grant we say. So this is a practical consideration. This is a practical consideration, students. So in the answer what you have sent, it was technical. This is practical. Okay, so I'll just mention here, since it is an international operation, it is an international operation, it is better to go for a local loan to avoid foreign, what students, foreign exchange risk. I think no one wrote this foreign exchange risk as if you should improve this foreign exchange risk in your point. You can score a lot of marks. So I'll just consider here, the government is happy with the proposal to start a recycling plant, since it will create lots of job, what students, opportunities to the local citizens. Okay, local citizens, they'll get a lot of job opportunities. So I can just continue. I can say GeoPatron can liaise with the local government of which country, students? Greyland, to support the operations with a subsidized loan, so that they will be able to start operations sooner. Come on. So I need to continue. I can say leadership skill. However, the stability of the government is very important. It's very important before taking a loan, because if there is a change in the regime, there can be risk of cancelling the loan, full stop. Students, are you clear with that, students? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Good. So thank you, students. So this point was very important that I was working in the answer. So students, I'm asking you, if the local loan from Greyland government is not available, what are you going to do? What is the next option?
Retained earnings, huh?
Retained earnings, can we see our balance, retained earnings balance? So it's a good thinking. Retained earnings, we have 41,000 odd, we have retained earnings, but the good thing is we have paid dividend also. But do we need retained earnings for our business projects also? That is a question mark. Other than retained earnings, any other things, Mr. Kiran?
Sir, DVP.
Bond.
Share issue, no. Bond issue, no. Technical answers you are giving me. So students, I will write that point. You should develop the answer for that. So I will mention here the point as you need to think here. Partnering, what is that, students?
Strategic alliance or partnering.
Correct, correct. Partnering with a local corporate. Yes or no, Mr. Kiran?
Yeah.
Agree? Now, if you generally see, most of the corporations like Starbucks all have partnered successfully with Tata. So that clearly shows that they are minimizing the international risk. Because if they
Correct.
bring all the money from Europe, ultimately they are exposed to this volatility. Now, for example, due to COVID-19, if there was no partnering with Tata, they would have definitely struggled. So luckily, they had a Tata partnering. Because of that, they are somewhat surviving. Yes or no, Mr. Kiran? Because they would have got all the resources from Tata.
Yeah.
Agree with me? So I'll just write down the point. Better to write down the point. So I can say strategic alliance. So I'll write down here strategic alliance is the process of joining hands with a local partner, like franchise, everything. So I'll continue that. So I can say the red color, Runabout's main business is micro mobility, transport using hoverboards. Therefore, if they partner, they can share the risk. What can happen? Share the risk between a local partner where they can take care of the operations management. Come on. So students, just keep in mind, students, operations management, they can take care, micro mobility business. So students, I will continue. So I can just continue this with the green color ink. I can say, Alan can do a survey on the local corporates who are efficient and organized in business management. So that they can go for a long-term arrangement. So I need to continue. I can say, however, before going into agreements, you need to consider the background of the organization. Full stop. It's very important. So students, that is partnering with a local corporate. So students, now I just need to ask you some questions. What are the other factors you can consider when you are going to this business sector? Other factors that you can consider, students, other factors that you can consider, because we are done with the way of financing the project. We never gave a recommendation. We gave them the options, and it all was a balanced option. So now I'm asking you a question. How are we going to do the other one? Other factors needs to consider. How are we going to do? Factors needs to be considered.
That's good.
Pestal,
holiday.
no. Mr. Kiran?
Tax holidays?
Tax holidays, little bit specific to business operations rather than macro factors.
Sir, culture.
What about skill labor?
Yeah.
Because it's a developing country, yes or no?
Yeah.
Skill labor will be higher, less student.
Yes.
Will be less. So can I just mention other factors to be considered? So see students, now the paper looks not hard. It's very practical, yes or no students. Your mind should be very much open. So I'll write here other factors need to be what students considered. Other factors needs to be considered. So I will mention the main factor is other factors. Other factors needs to be considered. So the main factor what I am thinking here students, I can generally say is availability of what students? Of skilled labor, availability of skill labor, availability of skill labor. So below that, let's start working on, I can say the workforce is essential since this is our first operations. So I'll continue with the red color pen. Since Greenland is a developing nation, developing what students? Nation. There is a question to be considered. There is a question to be considered whether they do have skilled employees in the recycling area. Okay, so I will continue that also. I can say the question is if they are not there, they are not there, that is the question mark. If the skill labor is not there, then I can say the HR or HR person, Pat Oily, should be able to hire a recycling industry specialist. Recycling industry what? Specialist in a contract to train local staff, comma. So I can continue. The training process should be embedded to the organizational systems. Full stop. So students, is availability of skill labor an important thing? Yes or no, students?
Well,
Yes, it's an important thing. So any other things you are thinking, students, here?
sir,
Any other points, Mr. Kiran Jaybal, other factors to be considered?
Yeah, we are not experienced in recycling business.
That's what I
This is
told you.
new. Okay.
That's what I
supply
told you.
chain,
Supply chain, like how?
their raw material things, and after recycling we can sell our product.
Okay. Good, but not so much specific to the cases. As if your answer operational issue is generic, can you make it specific? Software capability, all are generic. I want something specific to our case study. System integration, no. This is a different one. Recycling is something different in a different country. This is just done to escape from our local country. We are going
Sir,
to the
we are shifting our hoverboard from our local country to new plant. The supply chain issue and cost up.
okay. And now my question, students. Currently, our hoverboards we need to replace within how many months, students? Within how many months?
6 months.
6 months. So will
Yes.
there be spare time in the factory?
No.
Yes or no? Because we will be getting the hoverboards once in 6 months. Yes or no? So only our hoverboard will be have a lot of spare time, idle time. Yes or no? Correct or not correct? So instead of only focusing on our recycling, can we also focus on other company recycling also? Yes or no, student? What do you think?
Yes. Joint venture.
Not joint venture, providing service to other people. For example, now let's assume TCS, Tata Consultancy Service, also gives service to all other organizations. Yes or no? I understand it. Not only for Tata. Agree? So my question is, instead of only giving recycling for our runabout, due to our excess spare capacity, to cover up the overheads, can we make the recycling function as a common function, not only for hoverboard? For other recycling also, can we make it? Yes or no? That means
Yes.
anyone in that country can use
You mean
our company for recycling.
for job work? You mean?
No, for other products. For example, car tires recycling.
Yes,
Like
yes, 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 yes. Bicycle recycling. All can we
bicycle
correct bicycle recycling? That's electric scooter recycling. So,
recycling.
so can we give an open door for them also to come and put their recycling? Just asking. Because definitely only our product in our factory, which is a subsidized, in other words, not our main item, we will have a lot of spare capacity. What do you think, students? Yes or no? In a year. In a year. Once in 6 months means in a year, turnover is only how many times, students? How many times, students?
2 times.
2 times. But frankly speaking, operations are for 12 months. Turnover is only for 2 times. So is there having a high spare capacity? What do you think, Jaybal? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is my concern. Students, can you make a note of that, students? Now that is known as practical thinking. That will come not by mock 3. You need to do around mock 7, 8. Then only you will get that thinking. But those are the factors you need to consider. As if I think you are clear with what I was mentioning here. Because as if that the turnover rate, you should be able to think about it. Specific to the case study. Thanks, Matlub. Thanks, Matlub. The international experience is practical. Any company going first time will be this. It's a brain dumping point, but still you would score some marks. But I just say that it's again a repetition. Even in your previous exams, you could have written. But this is spare capacity is something very, very specific to the organization. Get the point. Mr. Kiran, were you able to think the spare capacity?
No, not really.
Okay. So I'll write here spare capacity. So I'll just mention spare capacity. Generally, the company will have some idle time due to less supply, comma. So I'll just complete that with the business application. So I'll say the hoverboards are replaced once in 6 months. Therefore, in the calendar year, the turnover will be 2 times. What do you think, students? Yes or no? Agree?
Yeah.
Therefore, the supply will be less and the overheads will be higher. So I'll just come to the people point. So I'll just mention here, students. I can just say GeoPatron with the help of finance team can develop a cost benefit analysis, in order to identify any other possibilities to make the factory function at full operation, at full operational levels, full operation level, comma.
Sir, one thing.
Yes, please.
Sir, our director of operation can assist idle capacity.
No, the thing is, we need to do, you are correct here, but here we need to do an initial costing. Yes or no, Asif? So, Amir, we need to do a costing here. So, the cost benefit
Sir,
analysis only needs to be done first before going into the other. But you are correct here. Thank you for telling that. So, I'll continue that. I can say, therefore, the operations can be made open to other players who use battery, such as in electric scooters, hybrid vehicles, so that the extra contribution can cover up the what cost? Fixed cost, overhead fixed cost. So students, we have developed a full answer here, but in my answer, you see, I'm using technical knowledge, but I'm not dumping technical knowledge. For me, technical knowledge is a tool, and I'm balancing my answer with the case study. Are you understanding, students? Hello?
yes.
Good. So the feedback for this session, Asif has improved, Matlub, good improvement, Amir need to improve, Arif, good improvement, and Jayabal, no improvement, must work hard. Mr. Kiran, very good improvement. Anything you have, you can comment on the WhatsApp group or direct message me. I will definitely support you, students. So students, let's do the mock number 3 discussion on the Sunday class morning. I think we have discussed the time also. It is Pakistan time 10 o'clock, Indian time 10:30, and you can sort out the local time students Dubai and Cambodia. And the next thing, students, I wanted to say, for the Sunday class, can you make the ratio analysis ready, please? Because
Yes.
we can do a great analysis, and then from next week onwards, I'll tell you on Sunday we will have an extra day for another 1-day class and improve the mocks, increase the mocks. So don't worry, students, we are going to improve the number of mock practices. Fine with that, students?
Okay.
Okay, so any questions for today's session, students? If you are fine with the today's sessions, you can put Y in the comment box. If you are not fine, you can just ask me the question so that I will start explaining. So thank you, Mr. Kiran. Thank you, Jaybal. Thank you, Matlub. Thank you, Amir. So thank you very much, everyone, for today's session. See you all on Sunday. Take
Thank
care.
you. Good night. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.